Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games error code LS-0018 in Windows 11 or 10. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your search bar and just type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. And then just click on this file folder. And here we're going to find Epic Games, which is right here. Again, Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Now double click on Saved. And here we have a web cache. Okay. Again, web cache. Right click, delete. And if you got this error, don't worry. Just hover over your taskbar. Right click on Epic Games. Exit. And after that, try again. There you go. And then after that, close this one. Restart your computer. And after that, go and launch Epic Games Launcher and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if it doesn't work? Well, just right click on Epic Games Launcher, go to Properties, Compatibility right here, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator, hit on Apply, hit on OK, double click, and after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix Epic Games error code LS-0018 in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.